Sustainable development goals are key to our strategy as a business, not just as Plant Oxford, but as the BMW Group. And being able to work with Oxford University in the SDG Lab, what it gives us is the opportunity to have what I would call the outside-in perspective. We're doing a lot of great things, but there's things that we can do better, and working with the fellows on the various projects that we've identified is an excellent way to make sure that we go from good to great. It never ceases to amaze me the breadth of experience that the fellows already have. They, of course, have a lot of academic knowledge. Perhaps what they lack or haven't had the chance of is experience in a working environment. And yes, we're going to see today in the project results, I've had an insight into some of the recommendations, some really good and innovative ideas that we otherwise may not have found, certainly as quickly. This is our second year of collaboration with the SDG Lab, and if I look back to last year, the recommendations that came out, I'm pleased to say many have been worked on in more detail and have been put into practice. I'm particularly pleased with what we've done in the CSR in terms of corporate and social responsibility, and we've made great strides forward last year. We've got a group working on something very similar to this, and I'm very much looking forward to bringing to life the recommendations that have been made.
For us as the BMW Group, and specifically Plant Oxford, it's been a topic that's been important to us for many years, but it's something now we're really trying to push and engage even closer with our local communities to actually almost come together and be a partner for each other. I think it's really important for organisations to not just exist as an organisation, but to absolutely be connected to the local communities that are around them. First of all, it's kind of reflect on what we've been doing and how we've been doing it, and the research that the fellows have done for us and the recommendations that they've made. So looking at, do we stop, do we continue, what do we bring in new? And then I think really getting a stronger connection with our local community to work out exactly what it is at a deeper level, a more tangible level even, as to what we can bring to them and how we can strengthen our partnership.
Participating at the SDG Lab or here at BMW has been very insightful, being part of the team and actively engaging with the BMW associates from day to day, having a look into the daily activities of the steering production for our group. It's been quite insightful and super interesting.